Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two popular robotic vacuum and mop combos, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. With its powerful 4-stage cleaning system, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus effectively pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from any surface. It even features proprietary dirt detect technology, which allows it to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. One of the standout features of the Roomba Combo J5 Plus is its ability to automatically empty its bin for up to 60 days. This means you can enjoy a clean home without having to worry about vacuuming for 2 whole months. Additionally, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus knows what to clean and what to avoid. It can easily navigate around objects like cords, pet toys, and even pet waste, thanks to its intelligent sensors. The Roomba Combo i5 is designed to handle both wet and dry cleaning, converting from an all-floor vacuum to a vacuum and mop with a simple switch of the bin. Similar to Product A, the Roomba Combo i5 features a powerful 4-stage cleaning system that effectively pulls in dirt and debris. It even has dual multi-surface rubber brushes, which adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. One of the standout features of the Roomba Combo i5 is its ability to simultaneously vacuum and mop hard floors. This means you can save time and effort by using just one machine for both tasks. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus has been praised for its powerful cleaning performance, convenient automatic bin emptying, and intelligent navigation. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 is appreciated for its adaptable cleaning modes, efficient cleaning performance, and the ability to simultaneously vacuum and mop hard floors. So which one should you choose? It ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you prioritize powerful cleaning performance, convenient automatic bin emptying, and intelligent navigation, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus might be the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for a vacuum and mop combo with adaptable cleaning modes, efficient cleaning performance, and the ability to simultaneously vacuum and mop hard floors, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 offers excellent value for money. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.